guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make these delicious beef ribs, and guess what? In an air fryer. Yup, an air fryer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to make this real fast, quick, and easy. So let's get right into the video. I thought to record this super last minute, so the meat is already pre-seasoned. I seasoned it with some smoked paprika, some Joe stuff from New Orleans. It has 0 calories, 0 sodium, and it is bomb. It's filled with so many spices. And I topped it off with some garlic powder. Let me take this wrapper off so y'all can see this. Look at this, succulent, delicious, seasoned well. Y'all, I can't wait to eat this. I use 100% organic beef when I do eat beef, which isn't often. But if I do, it's 100% organic and always grass-fed. Right now, I'm just prepping it to get it ready for the air fryer. I know my air fryer looks kind of different from most air fryers out there, but if you have a standard air fryer that you just pull in and out, it will work the exact same way. Here, I'm setting my air fryer to chicken and upping the temperature to 380 degrees. I'm then gonna put it up to 30 minutes and cook it for 30 minutes, 15 minutes on one side and 15 minutes on the other. This is after the first 15 minutes. Y'all, look how golden brown and succulent that looks. I'm not a fan of frying food at all, but in an air fryer, I'm definitely down, always. I thought it was a good idea to try to fry this instead of grilling it, and it came out perfect. G. Hudge's sugar-free barbecue sauce. Y'all, I was completely skeptical about this, but it is delicioso, as Dora will say. It has 10 calories, 0 sugar, and 2 carbs per serving. This is the ribs fully cooked on the opposite side for another 15 minutes. Look how good that looks, y'all. I'm basting it real quick with the barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna put it back into the air fryer for another extra 5 minutes, just so that it has something to stick to it. And this is how it looks when it comes out. I had to take a short break, but I'm back. Look how good these ribs look. I am still in complete shock that these ribs came from an air fryer. Look how juicy they look. I cut them so y'all can see the inside. They're fully cooked, 30 minutes, 15 minutes on one side, flip them over, 15 minutes on the other. Super easy, super fast to do. And that's it, y'all. Like I said, super fast, super quick, super easy. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and the animated me, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Good night.